Hello, my name is Marion from Corporate Marketing of LSG Group. This year LSG Group has invited 4 of our culinary experts to create this year's calendar edition. As a global company, we have a wide spectrum of culinary expertise and talented chefs from all over the world. Under the lead of Jörg Hoffmann, our Director Culinary Excellence, and Mathieu Castex from Europe, we also invited 2 chefs from our EMA region, Ivari Kuimet from Estonia and Mduduzi Nkosi from South Africa. We were sitting together as a team looking for 12 delightful motifs which make it into this year's calendar edition. The colleagues from all over the world have sent us some different ideas which are reflecting their companies and their countries, and we were cooking them together here in Frankfurt in a studio. We hope to inspire you with our new calendar edition 2019 Perspectives.